Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can make money online with Irse. Guys, it is very simple and easy method. Even if you have don't any skill or you are a mom, that does not matter who you are. So guys, let's dive in. Go to Google and search irse.com. Then you can find it's a search bar and type baby t-shirt. Then guys, I can click this, open this page, another, open this page, open this page, guys. Open this page. Open another here. Open another here. It's here. So guys, can you imagine guys how much they can be sell generated just for one t-shirt? 8179 sell. This is simple baby Nibiu and 764 review customer satisfied this t-shirt Nibiu. So guys, uh, so we are watching another t-shirt. This is the another one, 792 sell just for one t-shirt. This is a very simple design guys. 195 review. So let's get another one. Wow guys, 22,353 sale just for NPU. $9, 3,316 review guys. This is very simple, just for text. So let's get another one. 13,188. Can you imagine guys how they can sell generated just for single one t-shirt? This is the another one, 44,184 sell, just a simple design guys. So guys, we know is a biggest number 2 e-commerce platform in the world. Every day billion of people selling their product with its marketplace. So why you are waiting guys? This is a very simple design. You can make easily create this t-shirt design guys. But guys, if you don't know how to make a t-shirt design, don't worry guys, I have a great solution for you. Go to Fiverr, go to go to fiverr.com and search t-shirt design. Can you see guys, many people selling their service. This guy 653 working for clients, 4.9 star, 4.9 rating 4.9. Is the another guy 171 works there, 5 star rating. Is the another guy 595 work there, 5 star review. So guys, you can easily hire them just for $5 and easily create your t-shirt design. So guys, I can provide a link in the description box. You can easily find a professional graphics designer. So guys, then you can create your, it's a seller account. And then you can list your product and you can SEO your list, because there are million of people create their product in the it's a list. But if you don't know how to SEO, don't problem guys, you can go to YouTube. Then you can go to YouTube, then you can search bar how to SEO with my product with its. So then you can find a video and easily, and watching this video, then you can know how to rank your product. So guys, if you purchase through my affiliate link, I can earn a small amount of commission. So guys, I hope you can follow this method, be that you will be can easily make money online. But guys, most people watching many video, but they don't make money online because they don't take any action. So they cannot make money online. If you don't take any action, you don't make money online. So guys, I hope you can follow this method and start your make make money online journey. Guys, if you know this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe and bell the notification button. So bye guys.